From Northern Ontario to the national stage, we are powering possibility. Innovation lives here. At Canadore, we turn ideas into prototypes overnight. Our aviation technology training helps keep Canada's skies safe. Our instruction in EV propulsion and green construction is working to build a more sustainable future. And our new programming, focusing on cybersecurity and automation, is helping protect data and power the smart factories of tomorrow. Every program we deliver is hands-on, industry-calibrated, and career-ready, built with employers at the table from day one. Our graduates fuel the economy, creating direct pipelines of talent into industry, generating hundreds of millions in local impact, and sharing ideas that travel coast to coast to coast. Together, we are building the workforce that keeps Canada moving forward. But Canadore isn't just where people learn, it's where communities grow. On our campus, parents can learn and earn thanks to a dedicated daycare. We have The Village, Canada's first holistic health education hub that trains tomorrow's health leaders while serving today's community. Our year-round sportsplex energizes North Bay and the surrounding region. Innovation thrives in every corner, in film and culinary arts, in information technology, in business and entrepreneurship, environmental studies, Indigenous and community services, in aviation, in trades, in health sciences. These programs spark culture, commerce, and connection, driving growth far beyond the classroom. Skilled, inspired, job-ready. We are driving Canada forward, one graduate at a time. We're creating the future. Great things happen here.